Hi, this is John, and I'm going to show you an easy approach to binary conversion. Now, before we roll into the conversion process, I'm going to teach you some of the basics. What is binary? Well, binary is a number system represented by two numbers, zeros and ones, and it's used by all computers. You'll see it in the form of binary strings, such as this one right here. Now, to do the conversion process, you have to understand the math behind it. And if you have a good understanding of the powers of 2, you can pretty much do any binary conversion. 2 to the 0 equals 1. 2 to the 1 equals 2. 2 to the 2 equals 4, and so on. And if you memorize at least these and make them second nature to you, you'll be able to do any conversion very quickly. Okay, let's look at the decimal to binary conversion. This conversion, I think, is one of the more easier ones. The first thing you're going to want to do is draw out a conversion table. You start from the right and you work left. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And notice how there's 8 numbers here. That's 8 bits when you're speaking in computer terms, such as in subnetting. And an IP address, we have 4 8-bit or octets, 4 octets. In our first example, we're going to look at how to convert 132. Now, follow along with me. 128 goes into 132. Yes. So we'll put a 1. 128. What else? What other number here, when combined with 128, equals 132? Well, that number is 4. And you fill the rest in with zeros. And that is a decimal to binary conversion. Let's look at one more example. 14. Very easy one. That's 128, 64, 32, 16. None of these numbers go in it. Does 8? Yes. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 8 plus 4 plus 2 equals 14. Does 1? No, that would be 15. So far, so good, right? Now let's look at some binary to decimal conversions. Same table, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And if you need to go further, go further. 256, 512, and so on. This is our first example. You just write it in there. Draw out your table and write it in. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is so easy. You just add them up. 64 plus 16, 80, plus 8, 88, plus 2, 90. That binary number equals 90 in decimal. Next number. Just write it in. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You add them up, and what do you get? 27. It's as simple as that. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget, if this was even a little bit helpful to you, to rate my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Or come visit me at johndavidgrow.com. Again, thank you so much.